Hello, testili 상말로. 아니, good morning, everyone. today's Saturday래. 먼저 캐나다라 Saturday래. 아니, 자가라 Saturday가 지금 gond다로 인기래. 아니, 상막기 우친이 되어쇼. 낭미님도 이렇게 가르치는 be safe out there. 이디 가리라고 섬스나나. 미카시 인가를 따가지 코멘트 당시라 아마 카레를 시작 카레 신나서 태도로 지시라 but 따디 카레를라나 따디 nga랑가라 지거래 so obviously 소소도 치나 it's not gonna be perfect because I'm not a professional hairdresser 아니 yeah my lipstick's looking nice today 아니 the extension re ngara nyuni ngara jarjure ngara jari ani the chariala nga yoyam course ya so if you don't like it that's not professional damla dodo chigashna it's going to be expensive right but ngara chisa I saved a lot of money but the wadi khashi shigringa dura should I cut it this much yeah ngadi ka stop na ning jues but then tayu chinji chida the wadi ya osrim bud tongsa but I don't know I'm thinking about it 저딩이 Amazon 니녀이 아니 Amazon 니녀 nga랑 잘조래 시구직 둔라샤 시구직 갭롤레샤는 얘기 건다 추드 주바니 슈게 슈숨바다 같이 아니 next day there 추드 체가 스토지 치 decide complete challenge so I did a lot of hard work for this to save some money because ada namjin rata do dang it is go you to lak bachang do da takala ta do pe go you salon na do na I think I told you guys como 100 the dure maybe 200 but since I got it myself and installed it myself it cost me $0 and that's a good deal I think right so Gina, 네가 세고 책 말해, but mine it looks pretty good. 당연히 갭론 찍대 try 해보라. I don't know how it looks, but I am happy with my work. 아니 랑소 타인데 친이었나? Contact me. 상강 알아라 인도 야부 치수만 미션 받다 obviously 야부 치수에 임브라. So you can contact me and I can install it for you for $150. That's a good deal. 아니 얘기 딱 완료하려고 아니 짠요 nga담나 show 아니 얘기 few hours la you'll have long nice hair color ben khari nyonyore inji miji color nakpu nyo mare initially 얘기 따디 ngara amala nyo samsa amata nakpura but amai gamindu so I said okay waste chawaleda I'll just use it plus 얘기 따디 tada 얘기 ता brown re but I didn't care 얘기 install chishai uzuyeni ngara samsa wo machana ngara pisha go samsa but I don't think it's that bad, so I am going to keep it for a while. There. 근데 다른 캐나다라 여유신어서 강밥도 두쇼게 오는 신앙아 니지 못아요랑 니지 못아 가리샤들라나 nga khazini dawa khashi gyaga de dikupsu moda zun dawa chik le manga in the shashana turn on machini shashana kozoji battery li this chick can't you know how much that stop working right ani dichini hapta chik la gari in the shasha le ta hapta chik la on chiure and leave it on for at least 10 minutes or something so that gadi keeps working right but na gyala do diusu plus my car is like a sports car yeah my shira use chida shimar but it's not hard but she doesn't know how to use it chetang nyoyo marin so I was like okay whatever some shashimba ne yeji kazi battery zone the finally yegi battery dita motor shemba kinile and charge your battery charge chadibeni yoyam gorsu it took almost like lamsa on chim namji battery this chika chim lamsa 뭐라 on chahido aya and the starter the janna battery starter the but near just start chama so ni tema mangu chini last stretches so I drove around for 1 hour district highway matang the doing ra so the battery is fine now but the thing is ngaji key fobura key the battery the niji motor the mi indi lu ne go che the mare so the indigo so wodi gaji battery zoshta ta the battery zodi go so motor on che mindu lock cham도 언당이 같은 치시라서 on 차이두라 but chilo do the sunga lock chisuimdo on chabin kale yuchan chidu kalana battery di zosha so I have to go to Walmart and change the battery cell when they change machina ani I'm not able to drive my car at the moment 어느 시나가 다른 조고 삼수 다른이 아마님도 조고 삼수 아마 내가 두디 내가 렉기 아니 가라 월마트라 돈이 녀고 삼수 but 강요에시나 소제듯이 강요에시나 소제듯이 so I decided not to go maybe I'll go after 3 or something 디랑레 아니 얘기 캔슬라 the install 지당 땅았다 되면라 the video bin swera masu but before the after picture 된거 before 얘기 마칭이라는 게 비디오 진지스에 아주 제야이 간데 차기는 하고 오면은 이게 직소이 원능 이게 attach고 될라 아니랑 숫다로치 this is after the second day 가자따따 이게 fresh to you 야고 통문도 the second day 때 야가 통문도 at least it's like sticking together these 시기야 additional so difference 통문도 but 네 난 인데 다른 bunga thematic stitch on your life la I don't like long hair I think shorter hair are more cute but so depends ra so pomokhashila tarimbu lembore pomokhashi tachunju lembore nga personally tachunju gayo khajna it's easier to wash dry whatever tarimbu na lega yo mangbu dangzo pomo indigo so lega pe mangbo yore conditioner chore shampoo chore ani if you're lucky enough you don't need to dry your hair and let it air dry and then example my best friend mojita igosrimbor mojitara go to soira 가리고 치우물 건다 인디신 독도 치는 예나 번이라 쇼기 따샹샹샹 인디신 랑그하고야 닝조치 so yeah but my hair is not like that nga chinjin nga tala color do da it sarisur mangbu chisa inside my hair is pretty damaged so I always wanted like nice indishin lakbachang na when soft hair yeah which I feel it now sprinkle 딱 같이 옳고 are you serious 아니 디로레 tala kadibeni color mambu matang lo chi especially bleach mambu tang ge khajina I like to change my color every now and then dinga chunjini every 2-3 months nga lakba savagit tanga color di chin landra and once I want level lesana and I get obsessed with it tanga khadichuru daya and I make sure I do it and sometimes I like it sometimes I don't like it but di chidi parala tathola pe moduire that's another reason why my hair is so short khajina thola dugi tuki shinira last time nga gyaga lata igas chinji to be igums to be puro misang maingala you look like a boy how do you look like a boy which angle ninga puro thongudo yar if you say I look like my brothers then I'll be happy because of course my brothers ngara phamachigena do thongra but in general I don't think I look like a man at all me haters to doing ala comment dindan tu ani ta this chick pumuro thongyo igire I hope you guys are happy this is just for the haters and sanyi ngala pudo dum bala lo shoyi chuso dongde and also I've lost a lot of weight that's a good news finally losa langa thoblo this ningjo khera sare and I'm super duper excited ani yeah tharinga kejeshi achopo sanyi vlog yapo chinsugo enjoy your weekend bye bye